students, now we will discuss about irrational numbers, but first we will take a review of rational numbers. Rational numbers. This is just a review of two types. First is terminating decimal, and second is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Rational numbers of two types. First is terminating decimal and second is non-terminating repeating decimals. So I am giving example. Suppose 4.683. Now it is terminate. Second is 3.2763. Suppose these two digits having bar, so you can write it by showing non-terminating repeating 3.27636363 and so on. So this is non-terminating repeating. Now let's start irrational numbers. IRRATIONAL, irrational numbers. NUMBERS, irrational numbers. So rational numbers are which you can write in the form of P upon Q, but irrational numbers, a number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. If you can write in the form of P upon Q, then it becomes rational numbers, but it cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. So these are irrational numbers. It means the numbers when expressed in decimal form are non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals known as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Just opposite of rational number, because rational numbers will be non-terminating and repeating, and irrational numbers non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, so this is the definition of irrational numbers. Now we will take examples. First, suppose 0.01 001 0001 00001 and so on. Second, you can take 0.07 007 0007 and 407 and so on. Now take another example, 0.43 4 4 3, 4 4 4 3, and 4 times 4 3, and continue. One more example, 0.16 116 1116 11116, and it is continued. Now different type of example. This is same type of example. Now second type of example. Second type of examples, the numbers which are not a perfect square. So first we know what is the mean of perfect square. The natural numbers 1 2 3 etc. So the square of some natural numbers is called a perfect square. These are natural numbers and we squaring these numbers, so we get the perfect square numbers. Here 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, and continue it, 4 square means 16. So 16 is a perfect square. Now 5 square means 5 square 25. This is also a 25 is a perfect square number. So instead of these numbers 1, 4, 9, 25 means square of natural numbers, we get the perfect square numbers. These are, and this will continue, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, these are perfect square. So instead of these numbers we will take the numbers like this, irrational numbers, under root 2, under root 3, under root 4 we will not take, because under root 4 you will get 2, under root 4 you will get 2. So under root 4 is a perfect square number. We will take 5, under root 6, under root 5, under root 6, under root 7, and it is of the form of under root m. Under root m, where m is a positive integer. M is a positive integer. Such type of numbers are known as irrational numbers. Now one more type of numbers, which are the cube roots. Now third type of numbers, the numbers which are not a perfect cube. So what is the meaning of perfect cube? Some natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. When we find the cube of these natural numbers, you will get the numbers 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, and so on. So the numbers 1, 8, 27, these are perfect cube, and 4 cube, 5 cube you can find out. So that numbers are not irrational numbers, and instead of these numbers you will write other numbers, which is the cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 4, cube root of 5, cube root of 6, and so on. So these are irrational numbers. These are the examples for irrational numbers. Now fourth type of example is pi, and pi consider in both rational and irrational number. When it is in the form of non-terminating and non-repeating, it comes in irrational number, and when we are taking the value of pi 22/7, then it comes in rational number. So this is an exception of pi, the value of pi. Properties of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers satisfy the commutative property, associative property, and distributive law of addition and multiplication. So here these two represent commutative property. Commutative property. and these two shows associative property. Associative property, and this is distributive law. Third one is distributive laws. Distributive law for addition and multiplication. Now second property is sum of a rational number and a irrational number, you will get irrational number. Difference of a rational number and irrational number, you will get irrational number. Product of rational number and irrational number, you will get irrational. Quotient of rational number and irrational number, you will get irrational number. So you are watching here that we will get irrational numbers when here different type of number, one is rational and other is irrational. You will understood, you can understand by examples. Now I am showing some examples. Now these are the examples. One is rational number and other is irrational number. 2 plus root 3, you will get 2 plus root 3 irrational number, and 7 is a rational number and under root 5 is irrational number. So difference will be 7 minus root 5, which is irrational number. Now product, 2 is irrational number, 2 is rational number, sorry, and under root 3 is irrational number, you will get 2 root 3, which is irrational number, and quotient means 4 is rational number and under root 2 is irrational number, divide it, so you will get 2 root 2, which is irrational number. Now we will learn more. If two irrational numbers, then which type of number you will get. So the property is, next property, irrational number plus irrational number, you will get rational number or irrational number. There is not necessary that it should be a rational number. It may be any one of the number. It may be rational number or irrational number. Second, when you find the difference of irrational numbers, two irrational numbers, then you will also get rational number or irrational number. Now when you find out the product of two irrational number, there is no need to, it is not necessary to, it may be irrational number, it may be any one of the number, rational or irrational number. And now when you divide two irrational numbers, then it also may be irrational number or a irrational number. Now take example, irrational number, two irrational numbers. Suppose 2 plus root 3, one is this number and second is 5 minus root 3. Now you will get 5 plus 2, 7, and these root 3 will be cancelled, so you will get 7, which is rational number. So either here not confirm which number you will get when two irrational numbers are there. Now difference of two irrationals, suppose we will take same example, 2 plus root 3 and find the difference 5 minus root 3. So this becomes here 2 plus root 3 minus 5 minus plus root 3, and 5 plus 2, 7, and root 3 and root 3, 2 root 3. But this is irrational number. So not confirm that here must be a irrational number or rational number. Any one of the number may be here. Third, when the product, suppose under root 3 into under root 6, or we can take under root 2. So this becomes under root 6, which is irrational number. Okay, and take another example. If you are taking under root for irrational number, under root 3 divided by under root 2, this becomes under root 3 upon under root 2, which is irrational number. Okay, it may be rational or irrational, and we can take another example for showing this, how you will get rational number. Suppose here is 6 divided by 2 root 3. So this becomes 6 upon 2 root 3, and you can write it 6 root 3. 6 root 3 cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. You will get 3 rational number. So different ways you can find rational number or irrational number when two irrational numbers will be operated each other. Students, I think you are able to understand the difference between rational number and irrational number. This is the third type of number, third property of irrational numbers. And if you are feeling some problem, then watch video again and again, so your concept will clear by watching the video. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my video and give comments.